So we will open and we will see how to fix the motor, how to open it. Okay, let's check. So here is our motor. As you can see, it's rusty. Okay, here is, in case your vacuum is working sometime, or if there is a, you have to replace the carbon, there is only, you can see this one screw and one screw. Let me open for you one. See, this is a carbon for the motor. Okay, in case if your motor carbon is finished, only you have to replace the carbon. So same thing for both sides. You have one screws here, one, and one is with this one. You can buy this one online or any shop, so you can replace only this one, and there to go. Your vacuum will work fine, or other things is fine. Okay, so now we have to open the motor. Okay, so this is our motor now. Okay, so we have to open this one. I think the hardest part for the motor is to for this one, to remove this cover, and you can see it's in very bad condition. So let me see, we give some oil, WD-40 or whatever. Okay, so then we will try to open. Okay, so we have to tap with hammer, but very slightly. Okay. Yes. Yeah, so it's open now. Okay, as you can see, yeah, it's stuck somewhere. So we'll open this one and we'll check what's inside and why it's noisy. Okay, so now we have to open these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. On this hole, we will press a little bit, but be careful. Okay, slowly, and here you go, it will come out. Okay, let's see. It's not very bad, this bearing. Yeah, see, this one is totally jammed. So we have to open and let's see if we can clean, or we have to replace this bearing. Okay, so only this is the issue. The other everything looks fine. We will use a little bit for sandpaper on this rust and it will be fine. Okay. Okay, so after this one is okay now. This one okay now. Okay, so this was the only issue, and now we just need only little bit sandpaper to clean, just very slightly. Okay, be careful, not the big sandpaper, and then we have to fix it after cleaning. Yeah, it's perfect now. We have to fix the cartons, okay, like this, and screw. Right. Okay, same like this one. Okay, now here we have to attach one more. Okay, so now we fix and let's check if it's working or no. Right here, and we will fix it. And there you go.